You're tuning in to howtoplaystock.com. My name is Casey. Today is February 2nd. It's Friday. It's morning right now. So as you're seeing this video, it's the day's already closed, and I'm wrapping up the week on stock price action for the weekly picks. I apologize for not getting this out in the morning, but I had some things to attend to, so forgive me there. So getting started, I want to start out with Grow, ticker symbol GROW. I was looking for an equal trough of 368 or $3.68 at the beginning of the week, and if it went lower, and it broke that first support level, I was looking for a price of $2.86 as my next support level. So at the moment, you can see we're at 313. We did break that first support level. We did have a couple equal troughs here, but the price did not do as I suspected it would. I was looking for higher buy orders coming in and stronger price action upwards, and then a higher trough as an entry point. Well, it didn't do that. It broke the first level support. It's heading down. Right now we're at $3.13. I'm looking, we'll track the price next week, but I'm looking for it to hit around 286. That would be Grow. The next one is Aurora. This is a cannabis stock. Now, the cannabis market this week has seen at least a 40 or 50% correction at the current moment. Now, I jumped the gun on this. This is a real trade that I'm in right now. I know a lot of folks who are in this trade and are losing money at the current moment. Nobody saw this coming. I got in on Monday, so I kind of broke my own rule here. But I was going off of moving averages on the 200-day, 50-day, and the 14-day moving averages. All of those were pointing upwards, signaling a more long-term trend of upward price action. So I was planning on at least a 2 or 3 week trade on this. So again, I jumped the gun. I got in too soon. Now the first level of support was around 946. It came down obviously to 946, but it did not take a bounce like I thought it would. On Monday, it actually opened up higher than what it did on Friday. And so I was thinking that the price would take a bounce here and just keep heading up. Well, I was incorrect on that, even though we did get a higher trough, and we saw a correction of more than 40%. Right now we're at $7.17. It broke the second level support that I had at 7.72. The next level of support is $6.42. Guys, if we come down here to $6.42, I am definitely backing up the truck, and I am buying more. I'm going to double down on this because earnings reports on Aurora come out February 14th, and I believe the news and the earnings reports on this stock specifically are going to turn this price around pretty quickly. I mean, you can see we're already in oversold territory here, and I believe we'll see this price turn around. I don't know how long it's going to take for that to happen, but I would say by at least February 14th, we should start seeing some upward price action. If you were in this trade and you got out with a short, loss here, or minimal loss with your stop losses in place, kudos to you. You can now come in and buy up more shares at a lower price here, and when it turns back around, you can gain your profits or your losses. You can gain those back and make some profits on it. For those of us who are still in this trade, you just got to be patient, have a strong stomach, stay in, and just wait it out because it will come back up. Like I said, the long-term trend on this stock is, based off a 200-day moving average, 50-day, and 14-day. It's still heading up. Okay, so it will come back up to better prices where you can at least break even or be in a profit. So let's move forward here. I was obviously wrong on that call. I was right on Grow. Let's go to WDDMF. WDDMF is another cannabis stock. Now this one I said sell next week. It's heading higher. Obviously I was wrong on this one too. Now this one I had better timing on. I did a paper trade on this one. And again, it's all about how strong is your stomach right now, because this market is real similar to cryptocurrencies. Very volatile. The prices go up and down drastically, and you just got to wait it out, especially if it drops like a rock like this on you. This one I didn't have any money in. I didn't have any real money on the table. It was just a practice trade. but I did do better on the timing of the entry here. Again, lesson learned. If you guys want to get in on a power reversal, so you're getting in on a bottom as the price is turning around and heading back up, make sure that you're getting in on a higher trough, okay? And that's the mistake I'm making here, obviously, is that you got a lower trough, the price starts going back up, and as the price is going up here, I'm getting in right here. I'm jumping the gun. I should be waiting like probably another day or two to see if we get higher price action up here, um, with a high, at least an equal trough or higher peak than probably back here, and then a higher trough. Okay, so I'm definitely looking for higher troughs because that signals a reversal in price action. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that the price is going to continue going up and up and up. It could turn back around and come back down, but you know, that's that's part of the business here in the financial industry with trading. Is you're going to lose some money and you're going to make some wrong calls from time to time. So I was wrong on that one as well. Let's go look at INSY. INSY, I was looking for a higher trough of 896 Thursday or Friday. Well, we did get the price right around where I was calling. It's actually a little bit below that right now at 851. We're in oversold territory on the daily. Now the price is starting to turn around a little bit here, and we're bouncing off that support level at 836. But we haven't gotten a higher price action and a higher trough yet. So I'm still looking for a higher trough. So come Monday or next week, I'm looking for this price to go up a little bit and then back down. We'll get a little minor pullback and maybe come in right around this weekly support here and closer to that price of 896 on a higher trough. So we'll see where that goes as well. But I'm calling this one, as far as where the price is right now, where I thought it would be, I'm calling this one correct as well. So I had a 50% win rate as far as not necessarily winning trades, but just guessing where that price would go and following the price action on it. Again, like I said, the cannabis market right now is going through a correction, and there's really not anybody that could have seen that coming, even if you're following the price action, because the price action was telling us one thing, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it just dropped like a rock. So if you're in trades right now, guys, have a solid, stomach, ride it out if you're stuck in the trade, and maybe even possibly think about doubling down on some of this because you're getting some more fair prices as the price drops, and when it turns around, you're going to make even more when it comes to your profits, and then breaking even. So basically, you're going to be able to scale out of your trade that you were in when it started falling in price. But that's all I have for today. If you guys like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember, income is the outcome. Okay, I'll talk to you later.